Hi, my name's Walt Bayliss, CEO of Webinar Geo and Hydrogen Software. I just wanted to talk about our promotion with Zapable. So far, we've earned over $73,000 in recurring commissions. And I say so far because those commissions are recurring and they keep coming in month after month after month. The promotion with Zapable was super easy to do. Andrew provided all of the swipes, the email files, the creatives, absolutely everything, and made it drop dead simple to run the promotion. The customers are always happy with Zapable. They're always adding new features, and everybody that comes on board really loves getting started. Of course, there's some that drop off, but the majority stay because they see the value in the app. From Hydrogen Software's point of view, whenever we do a promotion out to our database, we want to make sure of a few things. First of all, that it's a quality product. Second of all, that it converts well. And third of all, that the customers are happy with the purchase that they've made. And the promotion with Zapable ticked all of those three boxes. Fantastic promotion, customers love it, and of course those recurring commissions keep coming through each and every month. I highly recommend promoting Zapable. It really is a stand-up piece of software, and the team behind the program continuously improving. So from our point of view, fantastic promotion, customers happy, money in the bank, and everybody wins. Great promotion, guys. Thanks for giving us the chance to run with you.